thing that's sucky is you can't zoom. Oh wait, yes you can zoom.
Pistols make the bestest friends.